and you have unique insight in that because you're an actual property manager. Because you know what most people say about real estate? They go, "Oh, well, my payment is $4,000 a month, and I'm collecting $6,000 in rent."
I'm right here.
Translation: they're probably losing money.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck?
And I definitely understand that.
What the fuck?
I love what you...
California yet? It sucks. It'll get there. But hold on. Let me make sure I get this correct.
What the fuck are you doing, man? And this guy's turning from the left lane, and okay, now this guy finally turns.
Make some sacrifices. Look for ways to bring in some additional income. Look for ways to cut out the unnecessary inside of your budget.
Really?
Right now.
Last year, The King of Staten Island, starring Pete Davidson. Marissa Tomei. A film by Judd Apatow.
Oh, that car rolled the stop sign, and they almost hit. Whoa! Did that guy really just do that? Oh, shit! You're an idiot! Don't turn on red. Don't turn on red. Wow. No turn on red. Penske, they run those things to anyone, I guess. Oh, that guy. He wanted to move. Oh, wait, nope. He's still going for it. What the frick? I wonder what the cones are for. Oh, Jesus.
Wow.
You gotta be kidding me. You're pulling a trailer.
Fucking asshole.
It's like you're always like, it's like you're getting 8 episodes in, and you're like, what the fuck? It's like, you don't know what's... Like, if you watch the last scene of Jaws, you're like, why the fuck did he kill that shark? There's enough sharks dying out there.
Whoa, jeez.
You didn't see that this thing was specifically targeting human beings, and he needed to do this, right?
How's that? Like, that guy was a pussy. That guy leaning on that guy's neck like that, that guy's a monster. There's no way that guy's...
Because he knew he was being filmed, too, and he just had no...
Jeez, yeah, I think that's the same truck from
hands
earlier.
in his pockets like he was just fucking for an Uber or something like that. Makes you think, yeah.
And it always stuck with me, like, wow, man, you crushed it as a parent, where if your kid's like in his 20s, and like, well, hey, Dad, let's go get a beer.
Fucker.
Like, to me, that's the championship ring that the confetti's coming down, and I'm obviously looking forward to the whole ride, but at the end of the ride, you know, it would kill me if my kids didn't want to go get a beer with me. You know, I know I'm their dad, so I'll be a little bit corny, but like they get tickets to like a game or something, and one of their thoughts is maybe...
Yeah, you're one of those assholes.
That would be the shit. Yeah.
He'd had no doubts. Going down would be the wrong decision. He had known that then. Wendy was only scared of the boogeyman summoned up by a single hysterical little boy. Yours, she said. What were we doing while he was going through that dream?
You got a stop sign!
Wendy, we were sleeping, she said. Sleeping like a couple of...
Wait, what the frick? Whoa, what the hell is that? Whoa, jeez. Douchebag!
you, motherfucker!
Thank you. You were closest. Really?
You saw the emergence of individual player profile videos showing up on YouTube, and they were being used by scouts.
Wow, he went up on the curb. Fuck! Oh, Jesus! What lane are you going? Oh, shit! Jesus Christ! Really?
In New York. Other Cosa Nostra standbys rediscovered in the new century were garment center protection payouts for labor peace. Practices dating back to Lucky Luciano's heyday. The extortion artists came from Sammy Gravan.
Some clicks to the website, you know, where he'll give it a tease.
Hey man, listen, all I know is Chicken Farm who's gotten those numbers out.
Yeah, that's what I hear. He's the numbers guy.
He's the numbers guy and he gets those numbers out.
Yeah, but is he invoking his own personality on
Does
the
he matter?
Yeah.
Whatever gets the clicks, man.
Yeah.
When he did it, that he'll put buttons right in. Yeah, he didn't think that.
Yeah, he likes to do like show.
Who will win? Who knows? The fuck was that? That guy is sitting on the wrong side of the road. How do you screw up that badly? Back up. What are you trying to do now? Okay. The shit you see.